Maono. That's right, we're back with a new launch from Maono. I know you guys have heard of them before. We've made quite a number of videos on them. They make really good budget microphones. Anyways, pretty cool. This is a new launch from them. It's $70 right now. It's called the Maono DGM20W gaming wireless microphone. Right now, I'm actually connected with the receiver to an iPhone and just talking to you guys through an iPhone wirelessly through this thing. So anyways, we'll dive a little bit more into it. Let's get into the unboxing and see what all you get in the package. All right, now we're gonna unbox the Maono DGM20W. Let's get it open. There we go. User manual. Get a little quick start guide. Got your little receiver. Type-C. Looks like maybe you can use it for your phone. I don't know yet. We got a long USB cable here. There's the microphone. Wow. That thing's kind of clean. It does kind of look like a gaming microphone. And we get like a little connection for, we get a little adapter cable for Type-C, and that's pretty much it. I just want to take a look and see how long this cable is. It's not bad. It's a little bit longer than like the length of the desk. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable, and it's got a little adapter on it in case you don't have a Type-C slot on your PC, which is pretty cool. All right, there it is. The Maono DGM20W. There it is. Okay, so this thing was pretty easy to connect to the phone. No download of app or anything necessary. We just plug the receiver in. It's a Type-C. It's an iPhone 17 Pro Max, so one of the new iPhones, and it works pretty well, I would say. I just listened back to some of the audio and it sounds pretty crisp. Overall, nice, beginner friendly type of thing. It's nice to just plug something in and it just works. You'd be surprised how often that doesn't happen. I know I say that all the time, but it's true. Anyways, let's talk a little bit more about specs on this thing. Okay, so, you know, if you hate cables, it's 2.4G wireless. Like I said, it's just, we could do this through the phone or you could do it through your PC as well. It's got pro grade sound. It's crystal clear, 24-bit, 48 kilohertz audio. That's supposed to help highlight your natural voice. It's got one tap ENC or environmental noise cancellation and customizable 3-level depth. It's got dynamic RGB, as you can see. Here's the different modes. It's got zero latency monitoring and instant access controls, which I actually prefer having just buttons on my mic versus having to use software for everything. It's kind of nice to be able to control the lighting and the sound, the power, the gain for the mic, all that is on here. Like for example, the gain knob is down here on the bottom. And it's got a shock mount. Anyways, I like mics with shock mounts because it helps keep that audio a little bit more crisp. And when it comes to a wireless mic, of course, we want to talk a little bit about battery. It's got 40-hour battery life, working time, and you can charge it and record with it at the same time. I wish I could show you guys the front because it looks the best, but I got to talk into it. First thoughts on this thing, I like it. The quality is good. The price is good. It's got RGB. It's got manual controls for everything in case you don't like software. It has the ability to plug into multiple devices, which is really nice. I really do like Maono mics just in general because they're affordable, they work pretty well, and they're really easy to connect. I've had multiple Maono mics in the past and they haven't let me down. I think the biggest issue when it comes to audio equipment is really hard to set up, especially for beginners. So if you're just getting into content and you're thinking of getting like a beginner mic or a budget mic, then Maono is definitely a good place to start. Some of the other, if you just go to Amazon and you just sort like price low to high, there's some real down. There's some really bad ones down there. Trust me, I had one for a long time. So if you want a mic that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, Maono is a good place to start. Definitely check out some of the Maono videos on my channel if you guys want to look at a budget microphone to start out with for like creating content or whatever, because they're pretty good. That's pretty much my initial thoughts on it. They're nice and affordable and easy to use, and those are two pretty big things for me. So I'm going to go get this thing set up at my desk and we're going to plug it in through a cable and see what that sounds like and maybe game a little bit and just kind of use it. So I'll see you there at the setup. All right, here we go, baby. It's Black Ops time. I think we're going to go with Nacht der Untoten because this is like the original zombies map and one of my favorites of all time. This brings me back, dude. We got to watch this. Yeah. Come on, dude. This brings me back, straight back to middle school. Yeah, I'm Gen Z. What's up? What are you gonna do about it? Oh, dude. Yes. We're back. It's like we never left, except now I'm on keyboard and mouse. So it's a little weird. What's this? What's this? B23R, baby. This is the part I don't understand about this game, is this weird gobblegum stuff. But I'll take it. Hello? Anybody home? Hello? I'm not seeing anyone. There we go. Yeah, get wrecked, fam. See, this was way easier to do on keyboard and mouse. No wonder I was so trash. Headshot. Whoa, how'd you get in here? Seat. Round 1 complete. Wait, I don't have any money. I gotta use my small gun to get more money, right? Hello? Hey, chill. What's that? Wait, I don't need this. I'll take it. You know what? Might as well make use of it while we got it. Anybody over there? Hello? It's round 2. Hello? I can't even rebuild. I'm too busy carrying this. This is a crazy perk for round 2, just saying. Almost died. That would have been embarrassing. Eventually, we're gonna have to get the mystery box here. But it's not time yet. It's in there. See, it's supposed to say help, but me and my 12-year-old friends were like, hee, it says hell. It's called the hell room. Wait a minute. What if it was the hell room the whole time? Oh, I'm out of ammo. Whoa. Hey. You. Ooh. Whoa. Ah! No one even be coming through this one for real. What's up with that? Money anymore? What's this? Mule kick. I'm speed running this one. Whoa. Why am I so fucking locked right now? Oh, double points. I need that. Double points. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm out of ammo. I'm literally out of ammo. Is this the last guy? Is he, did he just meow at me? Ah! One burst doesn't kill him? Oh, nah. Okay, I have enough money. I think we should go in the mystery box room now. I might leave that guy alive. He's pretty slow. All I know is whenever I play solo, I be rebuilding these barriers, bruh. I be rebuilding these. Oh, I don't have any more. Ah! It's not paying me anymore, so I'm no longer interested in doing it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's open this. Mystery box. This is the best zombies map ever made. Now this is actually a good gun. So I'll take this. For now, this is good. I'm gonna get some more ammo for this, though. This is like a completionist run. What's going on? Why am I so locked in right now? There's still 3 zombies left. Let's just take a look around this place, you know? Get the lay of the land. Got a gun there. How much is this? 1,000? What's this? What? Out of burned out. Perca-Cola. I still don't get the perks. That was not part of my 12-year-old experience. This was complicated enough back then, you know? Kids these days, you know? They need like 30 things going on at once. I was fine with just 4 windows and a zombie. Okay, I'm opening this. I'm gonna be broke by the beginning of next round, but if there's really zombie dogs, then I'm gonna be upset because I'm not ready for that, like, mentally. I think is that the whole map? Is that everything open? Salvation lies above. I don't know, man. There's holes in the roof, bro. I think that's everything, dude. You must ascend from darkness. Yeah, this was on the wall back then, I remember. Okay, so everything's open, so now I can just, like, hopefully not die right away. Let's check out the mystery. Check out the mystery box again. What is this? Dingo? What the heck's a dingo? Oh, this could work. I'm so scared right now. It's only round 5. It's not that serious, right? I'm so scared because I hear so many zombies, but I don't actually see any. I thought that guy was still alive. Well, are any of them still alive? Dude, if I watched me as a kid doing this right now, I'd be like, holy sh, he's a hero. But like, maybe I'm just really bad on controller. You know, had I considered that? Carpenter, yay! This takes forever to reload. Uh-oh. Chill, bro. Chill. 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 Death machine. Perk? What do we get? What is this? What does this do? Whoa! Can I, like, move really fast now? Am I running faster? I can't tell. Am I hacking? I got speed hacks. I need to quit spam reloading. I had 46 bullets left in that mag. Oh my god. Oh, stay away. Oh boy. At least I can run really fast. What the heck? Whoa! Chill. Oh, I'm out of ammo for that. Whoa, this does way less damage! This does way less damage! Uh-oh. I need a max ammo up in here, son. I'm not doing enough damage! Oh, I got a really good gun way too soon, and I'm paying for it now. Double points. I need to go to the mystery books. Ah! Yeah! What? Wait, why is it triple shooting? It didn't let me down, man, until it ran out of ammo. This shoot's a little slow. See if we can get something else. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wait, I have 3 weapons. Oh, dude, I thought I accidentally like switched out my ray gun or whatever. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm scared. Whoa, buddy! Ooh. There's no way I'm dying during instant kill. It's not instant kill anymore. Honestly, this thing's gonna get me killed, so I'm gonna get something better. I got fast reload! Yay! More perk, more perk, more perk. Come on, baby, give me that perk. Aim quicker, move faster, walk. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know why I'm coping and not just using the ray gun, because I'm almost out of ammo, maybe. And I'm scared. That could be it. Oh. Well. I don't even know. Hello? Oh, I can't. I don't even know if I can get... I don't know if I've ever hit double digits by myself before. I'm so proud right now. Oh, double points. Double points. Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh no. Good thing I have this fast movement speed and my dingo. Uh-oh. Stop reloading! Well, I have fast reload. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not panicking. You're panicking. Final stand type shit. Guess I'll buy some grenades. I should probably hit up the mystery box again, but I think it's already too late. Now this. Dude, that reload speed's kind of crazy, actually. Oh, bro. Ah! Ah! Oh, that was close. Back up. Back up. Back up. Oh, carpenter. I need that. Wait, give me that. Uh-oh. Yeet. Well, this is my final stand, boys. Ah! You. You. I'm so scared right now. I just gave up my ray gun. Because I panicked, because I heard a zombie, and I gave up my ray gun. And the RPK does not do enough damage. I'm leaving. I'm leaving town. Oh, this is not good. Ah, no! Ah! What? Oh. It ended so abruptly. Hey, 13 rounds? I'll take it. Oh. Dang, what a good game. You guys remember this game? Oh, too good. Anyways, that was Maono's new launch. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link for it in the description. Hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Thanks for still being here for some reason. I really appreciate you watching. I'm serious. It really means a lot. If there's even one person out there that enjoyed this video, then my job here is done. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace. Thanks, Maono. Bye it.